Safety is a part of Scania's DNA. Improved safety has been a key feature in the development of the new truck. And that's why we are running tests over and over again. Some of the tests and technologies we are using are completely new for the industry. And we are doing this to give you a very high level of safety, both as a driver and as a road user around our vehicles.
The purpose of the test is to simulate a trailer back, which means that the truck will hit a barrier that corresponds to a fully loaded truck.
We are in Germany at Bitburg at an old American airfield to perform a full-scale crash test where we will verify a new safety system to protect the occupants in a rollover accident. We don't have a driver in the cab due to safety reasons, and we also have a crash test dummy in the driver's seat to do measurements. We will accelerate it up to 65 kph and then we will do a closing turn to the right until the vehicle flips over. We only have one shot at this and failure is not an option. Inflatable curtain will increase the safety in the vehicles. It will stop the occupants from falling out in case of a rollover accident. This is our friend Thor. He's the latest crash test dummy and he's helping us to develop the new truck. One of the biggest advantages by using the Thor dummy is that he's built more like a human body than a regular crash test dummy that are used today. And this makes the Thor moves more like a human during the crash. Thor also gives us more measurements and better measurements, which improves our valuations of the safety in the truck. The Thor is maybe not the best looking guy, but he's very valuable both for us in our development and when it comes to money. He's as valuable as 4 or 5 brand new Scania trucks.